My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Hello. Mrs. Klein from New Jersey called me. She said, I have 10 by 17 Oriental rug, maybe bigger, weight almost 150 pounds. Smell from my dogs and cats, and it's sitting in a garage for more than 2 years. It smells so bad. So I asked her, Mrs. Klein, did you send your Oriental rug to somebody local? And she said, yes, I sent it, and when they deliver the rug back to my house, it was smelled from chemicals. Then I told them, just leave it in a garage, and I'm not going to pay you. Because you promised me no trace of any odor. And now it smells horrible. I am not going to pay you unless the smell will disappear. The two gentlemen just left the rug in a corner of the garage and left the house. And here I am 2 years later, found you on Angie's list. And I'm sending the rug to you because all the reviews that you gain from Angie's list and Google. Come with me to the warehouse. Listen how the machine is performed. I flood the rug with a natural odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea, my hometown, Israel. And the vacuum extract everything through the rug. By this movement, by this cleaning process, I eliminate the need to use soap, deodorize, chemicals, and the scrubber or the squeezy. I rinse the rug through the fiber, through the rug. So everything, then it's in the foundation of the rug, where is all the pee-pee, the crystal, the urine, the cleaning product everybody use on the rug will be washed out completely by the power of the vacuum and the organic cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Come with me and listen how the vacuum working. After the vacuum extract everything from the rug, the tube shows me what is going to the sewage. All the pee-pee, the dirt, the sand, everything's blend together with the water, with the cleaner, and flush to the sewage. This is my invention, and I'm very proud of this cleaning product. I am originally a wildlife photographer, nothing related to PetPeePee Oriental Rug cleaning. However, I came from Israel to United States, and I have to make a living. I love America. So I invented a new cleaning process that changed the way how Oriental Rug should be clean, should be clean from the dog or the cat's urine odor. No chemicals. I hate chemicals because chemicals will cause bad odor. And this is what I like about my process. I clean Oriental Rug naturally. Odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea and natural organic cleaning product. This is my machine and I take a lot of pride of it. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. Stay tuned and see how I fold Oriental Rug for shipping or for storage the right way. Also, if you stay all the way to the end, you can see my artwork and you're welcome to visit mayormartin.com. Thank you. Enjoy the video.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
How to fold 9x12 Oriental rug the right way. Flip the rug. Very, very important. So the face of the rug, the beautiful part, will face the floor. It is very important to fold the Oriental rug after you flip it over. So like this one, you don't have a stress on the foundation of the rug. Don't forget to put your information inside the package. And I will email you the UPS label. Even I will schedule UPS to come to your door and pick up the package. Don't forget to put your information inside and put 2 labels. I'm going to email you a label and you can print it twice and put it on the 2 sides of the package. Like this one, for sure, no one of them will get lost. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee in writing urine odor removal. Text me the size of the package, and of course, I would love to email you the UPS label. Stay tuned and see some of my wildlife photographer, my artwork, and you're welcome to visit mayormartin.com.